Hello, welcome to David's Tip of the Week. My goal for these sessions is to give you a tip that you can use to hopefully make your life a little easier each week. So today we're going to look at something in Excel that you're familiar with, and that is selecting a large amount of data. So ordinarily when I would get something like this, you may think that you would click and drag to make the selection. Well, there is an easier way, and especially when you're working with data that has thousands of rows or columns, I think you'll find this a little bit easier to do. So if we had to select this entire row, we could do Control-Shift-Right, and we would select the entire row. Or we can do Control-Shift-Down to select the entire column. We can combine those to select this entire range of data. So Control-Shift-Right, Control-Shift-Down to select the entire range. Or we could simply do Control-Shift-End, and we could select the entire range of data that way as well. Now, one thing that you may run into when you're using this method is exactly how this works. It's selecting contiguous rows of data. So what Excel is doing is finding the next empty row, and it's trying to make the assumption of what the data you're trying to select is. So if we look at row 11 as an example, Control-Shift-Right, we'll see that it's stopped at column G. So this is because there's a blank cell there. We could simply overcome this by hitting Control-Shift-Right a few more times and getting all the way to the end. Definitely still a lot easier than selection. So hopefully you found this tip to be helpful, and it will make your life a little bit easier, and you'll join me again next time when we share another tip with you. Thanks for watching.